Well, it's time for another fun-filled and exciting day, and it's easier to take it somewhere else. Open up shop here, get things humming, so to speak. Boy. Well, we'll pick up where we left off in a minute. I'm going to set you guys up on a tripod. No, I don't know. All right, we'll pick up where we left off. All right. We left off at where? I think it was the inside. Patching up the rear corner under the rear seat. Yeah, we left off with that. It's all patched up. It'll be sealed up a little later. Oh, we have this to do, the C channel and the little rounded over part of the, close up the rocker panel slash heater channel. I guess it's all built in one. All right, we'll pick up there. All right, got my little template made. I'm gonna go right over here, curve it around, weld it in. So I'm just gonna mark this where I gotta cut it as soon as I find my marker. There it is. I hope I'm not gonna be in your way. Okay, cut right along that black line, and we'll be good. I don't know how I'm going to cut that across. Not without screwing up the wires somehow. Have to give that some thought. Maybe I got a little cut-off wheel on a drill, maybe. I do. Even that's going to be tricky with the wires. Well, that's about as much as I can get with this. Break it off and then I guess grind it off, grind the rest of it, grind it off with a handy dandy belt sander. Ruh-roh. Shit. Alright, let's try this again. Try it again. I don't know why that came off. I wasn't doing any kind of twisting or anything. I think that's going to work out well. T for top. Bend them round. Okay. I'll come back. I'll be back. Hopefully I'm not going to be in your way. But if I am, it won't be for long. That stang. Alright, well the other piece is 90% made. It's I got to lower the body to do any welding to the bottom of the rocker, and then I'll just have to hammer it into shape as we go. Forgot I had C-clamps holding the body from This magnetic base is great, but it sure does pick up a lot of crap. Come on, you fuck. Sit way down in a hole. Okay. Gotta try and get rid of that lip. Retool. See what happens. All right, well, it doesn't have to be pretty. Now I just have to make this piece. I couldn't remember if I brought you guys over here to show you, but that's what just took place. It's not pretty, and it doesn't have to be. I'm just going to grind the tips off, just dress it up a little bit, along with the with everything else. The whole length of the well, 3/4 of the length of the inner rocker, and I'll grind down the spot welds, or the plug welds rather. Then I will get into making this this piece here. It goes right there. Okay, time to play dress up. We got to dress up the welds a little bit. Alrighty, piece is made and it's clamped into place. It was till I moved it. Had to touch it. Don't touch it. Come on. Jesus H. Christ. Frame out. Some will get it, I guess. Some won't. It's all right. Good enough, I guess. All right, here's where we're at. I got the, sit back down in the hole here. Here's where we're at now. I extenuated the curved piece, made the C channel almost disappear back up into here, and made, it's still hot, and made the lip. And this is the hole I was talking about before. I'm probably just going to weld a piece right over top of that and call it a day.